sweetheart Jeff. Sorry if I'm making something negative. Sweetheart, I miss you so much. I miss you so much. I really love you, my honey Jeff. Sorry, something I'm not in good mood. You know I'm not good. But I'm always love you, my sweetheart Jeff. I'm always love you, my sweetheart Jeff. Honey, I really miss you. I'm so dry. Oh my, I'm so dry. Sweetheart Jeff, I love you so much. I always love you. God bless you. I'm hoping you are in good mood, in good way. Sweetheart, I'm hoping soon you can meet in person, not only in online. This is my sweetheart. I hug my sweetheart. I hug my honey Jeff. My sweetheart. Oh my sweetheart.